Al-Qaeda terrorists teach fanatics how to derail trains and attack stations in the West in chilling new terror manual. Terror group Al-Qaeda is urging its supporters to derail trains to cause massive loss of life and instill fear among travelers. The Islamist organization laid out its vile plans in an article titled "Train Derail Operations" in the latest issue of its magazine Inspire. The detailed 19-page tutorial uses the US as an example target. The article claims securing thousands of miles of track in the UK was practically impossible and attacks would cause great damage and destruction. The terrorist group offered to show how to make a derail tool and said any attacks would force governments to impose the airport-style security measures on rail travelers. In 2004, terrorists linked with Al-Qaeda murdered 191 in Madrid, Spain after planting 10 bombs on commuter trains. The threat is understood to being taken seriously by British and American intelligence agencies who are said to be working closely to combat it. Would-be killers are old. It is time we instill fear and make them impose strict security measure to trains as they did with their air, sick, transportation. The detailed 19-page tutorial uses the US as an example target but stresses that the UK and France are also good targets because of their long stretches of unguarded railways. Al-Qaeda murdered 191 in Madrid, Spain after planting 10 bombs on commuter trains in 2004. The author says the motivation for targeting trains is so that Islamist terrorists might continue to bleed the American economy to more losses, increase the psychological warfare and make it worry, fear and weaken much more. Followers of the group are urged to study train schedules and time the deployment of their obstacles to match certain trains. The chilling instructions even included a detailed map of US railways and highlighted busy passenger routes. The Inspire article stresses that a single follower could derail several trains in repeated attacks. The New York Police Department's Counterterrorism Department quickly responded to the call on Twitter. They said they were already aware of the threats and stressed that their robust defense apparatus was designed to protect railways.